This is a 1936 Schramm 4-cylinder, 2-stage, 160 CFM air compressor. This is a 1,000-gallon air tank. Today I have an 8-inch Crosby chime whistle mounted. POW 8-inch plane. And this is a 5-inch POW chime. This is Sunday, July 15th. I had some on here yesterday, and these are different ones. This is the 5-chime step-top locomotive whistle from the Nickel Plate Railroad. Vertical valve. This is the 6-inch Barnes patent whistle, mailbox style. Inch and a Davis gong from the Makepeace Millworks at, I believe, Sanford, North Carolina. The 6-inch diameter short bell Lorraine plane with 2-inch inlet. Very powerful whistle for that short bell. 5-inch diameter crane mockingbird with 1.5-inch crane valve, and this is from the Blackstone Washer Company in Jamestown, New York. This will be the 5-inch diameter crane mockingbird from the Jamestown Blackstone Washer Company of Jamestown, New York. This is a Lunkenheimer size number 3, 3-bell chime, cast bronze manifold, bells 5, 6, 8-inch diameter with a 3-inch compound automatic Lunkenheimer, no, a 3-inch balanced Lunkenheimer valve, not compound automatic. The one that I got from my employer, and before the president retired, Bob Galbraith, he let me have this. Also came with a 3-inch balanced valve. I expect if I ever uncovered is the 10-inch diameter Lonergan chime whistle with 2.5-inch balanced Lunkenheimer valve. And this valve was brand new when I got it, and it's still like new. It's not used very often. This will make some nice deep chords. And here is the 6-inch diameter Schaefer and Buttenberg chime. My first whistle purchase in 1974. With an 1.5-inch balanced Lunkenheimer valve. This is the 12-inch Union water meter 3-bell gong, which I test blew for the first time today, and the results are nothing less than spectacular, of course, as can be expected. All my work and restoration pays off. was connected to the regular balanced 3-inch Lincolnheimer valve so I can control the airflow. There's the cast bronze tag nameplate, Union water meter, Worcester, Massachusetts. See if I can get the date on it. Patented July 25th, 1865. We're all set. Next will be the 3.5-inch diameter Lincolnheimer chime whistle. This is the one from United States Steel Mill in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. The next one will be the 2-inch Crosby chime. Okay, this will be the 2-inch diameter Lincolnheimer plane. This is the 1.5-inch Lonigan plane. Okay, now we're down to the smallest one, the 1-inch plane of unknown manufacture. But it has a Jurecki valve that I put on, 1/4-inch valve. This is my smallest whistle. This is the same day, and I'll be videotaping 2 of these that I don't have videotaped yet, which are my 2 plain Crosbys, 4-inch and 5-inch. One's got vertical integral valve, the 5-inch, and the 4-inch is horizontal valve. These are the real old timers with the fancy acorn nut. I don't. And this 6-inch organ pipe whistle. It's from a ship on the west coast, but the guy I got it from didn't know which one. I've also got the we'll start out with the 4-inch Powell chime. This is a 2.5-inch diameter Lunkenheimer Mockingbird whistle. This is Saturday, June the 7th, 2008, and I brought over the 10 by 36-inch Great Lakes ship whistle from the Frankie Taplin, and we'll test blow it. This is the one that was on previously that I worked on this winter to get the bell free on it. We're back about 25 feet and we'll zoom up. And let's give it a blast. This was my first really big whistle. It's an American shipbuilding, bell size 10-inch by 36-inch. It was new old stock when I got it, way back in 1975, never used. As a matter of fact, even the valve flange wasn't drilled. I had to have that drilled and tapped. It was never used on a ship. It's very tarnished now. Most of my whistles are very tarnished. Well, we're back about 30 feet, and let's zoom in for a close-up. And we'll give it a blast. These have a nice sound to them, on air or steam. Nice, deep, rich blast. Beautiful. Had the 8x48 American shipbuilding on here for a long time, several years I believe, and I wanted to see what it sounds like on 1,000 gallons of air. This whistle has a nice deep throbbing bass tone.